the World One community. Hey, check it out, man. This video right here, man, I was just scrolling and I seen it, right? It's so crazy. I'm just gonna press play. But see this guy in a tank top? Watch what happens to him, man. Well, pause it. Now you see the dog biting on him? Now you would have thought that the man would have ran, but he didn't. He got tased. A cop tased the guy and he hit the ground. And when he hit the ground, the dog just started biting on him. He is gnawing on this man's calf muscle. Look. And then the cop is telling him to step back. He got his legs. Hold on. Do you see this? This officer that is handcuffing him. Watch what he do to his other leg. Watch this. Watch this. But look at the background. Don't you see the other person being detained in the back? Look what he did to his leg. He just stepped on it until he stopped moving.
Stay back! Stay back! Put your face on the ground!
The dog is still chewing. The dog is still chewing. Look at this. The dog is still chewing on this man's calf, man. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops is chewing on his. Look at this, man. He is pulling this man's meat muscle. Finally got it. It's been a minute and 32 seconds. Been biting on this man. A minute and 32 seconds that dog has been biting on that man's calf muscle. And it's 6 to 8 cops out there. They couldn't pry this dog off of this man's calf muscle. Man, that's hurtful, man. Like, I have lost for words. But I want to know what y'all think in the comments, man. Do y'all think this was cool? Do y'all think the man deserved what he got? I mean, what do y'all think, man? What's the World One, man? Out, man.